What's happening, YouTube? It's Jeff from Big Rig Radio Network. We are doing a new channel called Motorhome Adventures. Okay, so we're going to talk about having a pull vehicle behind a motorhome and what you got to do that. This here is going to be a pull truck, right? It's a 2016 Power Wagon. Now, Blue Ox says they don't make a base plate for it. All they make is a 2012 through 2014, which if you have a 15 or 16 or 17 or 18 Power Wagon, see this right here, it says 2406, 2012 through 14, you want the BX 2406 because all the Power Wagons are the same up through those years. They just haven't updated their catalog because you got the winch here, so you don't have the bar that connects these two. That's the difference in the Power Wagons. So they give you these heavy duty hooks and they give you 4 bolts, but you got to go buy 8 bolts and 8 nuts yourself because in their instructions they say take out the factory bolts but use the factory nuts. Well, the bolts they give you are too small. Okay, they're too small, they don't work. So get your new bolts, put them on there with some red Loctite. This is nice and sturdy, and then put your safety cables on here in case these break. And there you go. And then I wire up down here is your breakaway switch. Okay, then all you want to do is get the BX, I believe it's 8838 wiring kit. Do not get the kit that has the bulbs in it where you got to drill holes in your taillights, because on the Dodge Power Wagon they're LED. There's really no room to do that. Use the diodes. Much faster, much simpler, cleaner install, right? And then to pull this big bad boy, because this thing weighs 7,200 pounds. When you get the Blue Ox, you get the 10,000 pound tow bar, right? Because this is over 7,000. Don't cheap out and get the 8,000. Get the 10. And then get you yourself one of these hitches right here. The Gen Y hitch, 304, because you got 10,000 pound capacity, 1,500 ton weight. It's got a 7.5 inch drop or rise because you can flip this around. And each one of these is 2.5, so 2.5, 5, 7.5, up or down, because you're going to need that rise because this truck sits so high up off the ground. You got to be level. Your tow bar has to be level. Also, when you have one of these trucks and you're going to be towing something that's this much weight, you're going to need a braking system. Now, I went with the Patriot 2 braking system because all you do is from that breakaway switch, you run it inside the truck. It'll plug in to the system. It's all wireless. It sends the signal to the motorhome. You can do the brakes manually. You can swap it from car to car. That way it's multi-use. It's nothing permanently mounted in here. That's the system I went with. And then we'll show it once it's all hooked up. But we'll show some stuff in a motorhome later on in another video. Thanks for watching. If you go to Big Rig Radio Network and check out my trucking videos if you want to, go there. Maybe some of my trucking friends will come on down and find my new channel. But we'll see y'all later. See ya.